Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here to help you unlock the full potential of your business, and we're going to share some powerful tips on how to use social media to grow your business. So whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these tips will help you on the path to success. So first up, let's talk about Facebook. It's not just about posting randomly, timing and content are everything. For the best engagement, aim to post between 9 AM and 2 PM on weekdays, especially on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And here's a key insight. Facebook prefers when you embed videos or images directly to its platform, rather than just posting external links. Why? Because embedded content keeps users on Facebook longer, which increases the user retention and in turn helps the algorithm work better for you. Here's a pro tip. If you do need to share a link, post a captivating image or short video clip and then place the link in the comments. This strategy enhances visibility and interaction without running afoul on Facebook's preferences. All right, now let's talk about YouTube. This platform is all about content that educates and informs or entertains. Timing is key. Post your videos on Thursdays and Fridays between 12 PM and 3 PM for optimal reach. And don't forget to use those precise keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve searchability. Here's a psychological trick. Using words like don't or stop in your titles can actually draw more viewers in. It plays on the natural curiosity of people's thinking. So don't look at this video or don't do that. This will then entice people to click on this video. So by using certain terms like this, you can kind of pique people's curiosity. Okay, moving on to Instagram. Hashtags are your best friend. So to maximize visibility, focus on relevant and trending hashtags, but don't overdo it. 3 to 5 hashtags per post is the sweet spot. Also make sure your visuals are striking and aligned with your brand's aesthetic. Instagram is all about making a strong visual impact in a single scroll. Now, if you're in the business world, LinkedIn is going to be your best friend because this is where all the professional networking happens. So make sure your profile is fully optimized with a professional photo and a compelling headline and detailed experience. When it comes to posting, the best times are weekday mornings, especially between 8 AM and 2 PM. Consistently share insights, articles, and commentary relevant to your industry to showcase your expertise and stay visible in your networks. So no matter which platform you're using, tracking trends and analyzing your data is crucial. Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy to identify popular topics and trends. Anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Do you have any tips or strategies that you use? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.